Yo, what up? Another video, back again. As always, we're gonna try to keep ramping it up. I wanna start buying more parts so I could keep, these flowing and have like 2 or 3 videos a week. Just keep pumping them out. If you're watching this and you didn't go watch the kind of like part 1 of me doing like the fronts and stuff and explaining all of that and whatnot, go check that out. Make sure you guys drop a like on that video and this video. All thumbs up. Really appreciate you guys for the last 4 or 5 videos. You guys are averaging 20 plus likes, so that's why I just want to keep pumping this out. And a lot of you guys, missed the TSX stuff, and happy that I'm back and giving you guys that content. So it makes me feel good and welcome. I'm doing my rear calipers now. Hopefully they're all good and not seized and no problems, and I can just swap that out. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, comment. Give me some ideas what you'd like to see and what you want to see. So I got, all the bolts out and shit, but what I need to do is unhook the brake line. So, yeah, I need to get maybe a bigger flathead and get the hammy to break it free a little bit because it seems a little bit rusted, so yeah. So I got the rear caliper and shit off. Struggling a little bit with that fucking e-brake. It was a little cruddy and didn't really want to fucking nudge out for me. But, yeah, I gotta go buy a tool set thing for the calipers because that's the pushing one. I was trying with the fucking flathead, but it's not big enough like of a flathead. So I feel like I've done that before in the past, but it still wasn't, this isn't working out. So I'd rather go get a tool set and be good for any type of brake jobs. I'm about to go to probably Harbor Freight and grab that. It's like $50 kit. So I need other stuff like brake cleaner and all that. So yeah, but make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, especially like the video. Thumbs up, man. It helps the algorithm, helps our videos, helps us grow, and we're almost at 1.5k subscribers. So with that being said, come back with some more updates on whatever progression I got going on. What you do to me? What you do to me? You just gotta take care of your shit. Can't wait to really start modding this and getting all the aftermarket parts and giving you guys really good content. Like, get, the coils and start, do my RBC and start, whatever turbo shit. Should be fun. I want to get a lot done within the whole year, especially when it's warmer weather out. That's when I'm really going to start trying to push some shit. Some shit. But, hey, if there's any sponsors watching this or anyone wants to sponsor this, let me know. Go to work. I don't know how to put it on. Oh, ready for the ride. I mean, it was a lot better for my knees, so. So you take about 20-30 minutes and you get your finally, your bracket on. Tighten that up or whatever, bang, bang, bang. I gotta reuse the brackets and whatnot because Rock Auto sent me some short ass brackets, not as long, and they're literally just like rubbing and scraping on like the rotor. It doesn't seem good if I go to brake or I go to drive and that shit gets all twined up in there or some fucking weird shit. So good job, Rock Auto, thanks. Thank you very much. No biggie. I'll kind of scrape it down a little. Tastes good enough. So we're back. We had more complications. Seized pin in the bracket, like it was completely stuck and whatever. I just couldn't get it unstuck. So I heard that it's better just to replace the whole caliper with a new one. Just go to O'Reilly's and give them the core, shitty ass one, and got this new thing, brackets, new bolts, all that shit. So why not? 81 bucks or 85 or whatever it was with tax. So I gotta bleed it. You go from the closest to the farthest with these cars. It's not all like that. Some you start from the farthest and you go to the closest, but different cars are different. But that's in the TSX manual. I was looking up on the TSX forums and multiple people said that, and they were reading straight from the manual. So I actually even have a manual somewhere, so if I actually wanted to go fucking read it up, I can. Let me start putting this bad boy in and give this show on the road. So I'm gonna drive this car already. It's been down for like a couple days, a week, doing its thing. Because, you know, I could take my time because it's in the garage. But the weather's been really shitty, so it's been like, I've been taking like day breaks and whatever, and then I'm running into complications, and yeah, we back. Alright guys, so yeah, we're here, and we got the bracket in. Shut the fuck up.
Mixed personalities, man.
Oh no. Oh no.
But yeah, man. So now we're just putting it in. I'll put the rotor in. Get that on there, fresh caliper. And yeah, I don't know, maybe hopefully drive the car tomorrow or something. Alright guys, make sure you always line up your old one with your newer one. And I'm actually liking O'Reilly's one more because it's giving you a little bit more clearance around. Hey, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all the love and support on the latest videos. Honestly, 15 plus likes, 20 plus likes. Like the flex pipe and the B muffler delete video and the sound clip video, that's over 500 views already, which is awesome. And 27 likes, 1 dislike. I appreciate that as well. Thank you. I still viewed it. And the recent brake pads and whatever part 1 video, it's 221 views and 18 likes. You guys are fucking awesome. The averaging has been sick lately. We're getting a lot closer to get monetized. If we keep up the rate, maybe within, you know, 2 months or so, we'll be monetized and whatnot. So yeah, that'd be sick. Thank you guys for all the love, for it up for me, and hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, go follow me on TikTok. I'll put that link in my bio too. I'm gonna start trying to do more TikToks and car related things. Man, it's tight. Come here. We're back with another update. This brake job has been taking me longer than it's really supposed to, but we keep running into fucking little stupid issues that keep making me need to stop and wait until I have to go to the store and get, you know, get the part or get some more items to help do this and do that. Yet again, I went to put this on, and the final thing, basically, fucking e-brake line, the fitting is just, the ID of this slot is just too thin. It just won't fit. I don't know if it's because like all the paint and shit and just makes it that much thicker. I got some sandpaper, so I'm gonna try sanding it down a bunch. Should be good to go, and I can start doing a bleeding process. It's just been the dumbest shit, like, keep holding me back. So yeah, I didn't really expect to run into that problem, but I was messing with it for a while and just would not go in. And the other side, which is OEM, went in within a minute or two of me, you know, messing with it or whatever. This side just would not, so yeah, I gotta shave it down. Honestly, I don't know what was the best sandpaper or whatever the fuck to use. So I just grabbed something that's more rougher than something that was smoothing it out. So yeah, try to get a piece. It'd be nice to get something like that. Better fucking work. I shaved it down quite a bit to where you don't really see the coating anymore. Just smoothing it out, try to flatten it and whatnot. I did quite a little bit, you know. I'm getting it back in right now, then finally have this shit together. Alright guys, so I'm about to start the bleeding and whatnot. We got everything on, and the brake bleeding process, the sequence is left front, right rear, left rear. So it's bong, 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 goes around. Not all cars, it's furthest to the closest. The TSX's, this chassis, it goes that way. I don't know why, that's just how it is. I looked up on the TSX forums and like 4 people are saying like that's how the bleeding process is, and it's in the TSX manual. Definitely need some fluids in there. Of course guys, running into some other issues. Alright guys, see my contraption here, you could get your 10 mil or adjustable. What you do is you pump the brakes a couple times, then you hold it
not fully, just where like the pressure is. You crack it, let it go through, tighten it, and repeat. So that's what we're gonna be doing. All right, pump it a couple times.
Now we got this side done. We're gonna go on to the next side.
I haven't been starting a little bit, so it sounded a little loud. So what I found out with the e-brake line, after me pressing the pedal and shit and putting up and down while doing that and letting like the fluid flow through the system again while the car is on, it's siphoned up the e-brake, so now it's back to normal. And I think the brakes are working, whatever. I still need to kind of like, you know, move it. I haven't moved it yet to start it because the battery was dead, so we had to put a little portable thing to jump start it. A lot of fucking little issues, man. Just like my last CSX, guys. Like, it doesn't get old, man. We back to it with the all the like annoying little quirks and fucking issues. In the end, we still conquer and finish the job, even if it fucking took too long. Wipe down engine bay a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit, you know. Now after doing a little bit, I really want to go ham at it. So that's what I'm going to be doing too. Not right now. Progress, guys. A little bit of progress. So let's actually move this fucking thing. I was hoping that's kind of going to like loosen up a little bit, or kind of like after me warming them up, it's kind of going to like stop. I'm hoping I don't have to like fucking shave down the pads like some people do and stuff. That'd be really annoying. So I don't want to do it.
Cold.
Tore down my wheels, so I need to do that.
Oh shit.
That's why as soon as I pulled off, it was like a little extra shaky. I'm like, so I didn't feel right.
Let's do that.
I appreciate you guys watching. I know like me doing a fucking brake change and shit like that and oils and whatnot is not the most exciting. I try to be interactive with you guys and just try to make it a little bit more exciting. And just being in cold weather, man, it fucking sucks. Like sometimes just being in the garage, like I be feeling sick like the very couple hours, like, you know, within the day and shit. So sometimes I need to take breaks. Yeah, warmer weather comes, I'm gonna be modifying and doing a lot more to the car. I appreciate all the love and support. Almost at 1,500 subscribers. On the road to getting monetized. I appreciate you guys. Giveaway once we get monetized, and hope you guys enjoy and keep watching and follow along. Hopefully get a boosted TSX and some crazy ass boosted TSX content, because there's not a lot. I was looking up at work and whatever, I was chilling, and there's a lot of older videos. And there is like this few guys, one guy that he's kind of the build process, whatever, and I kind of like watch all those videos. But there's not a lot, so that'd be sick, be able to give you guys some new juicy content. So